In this video, I'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap Connections, then look for the Wi-Fi calling option. If you don't see it, use the search bar in Settings and search for Wi-Fi calling. Turn on Wi-Fi calling and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your carrier, you may need to accept the terms and conditions and provide or confirm your emergency address. This address is used for emergency services when making calls over Wi-Fi. Once you've completed the setup, wait for the activation process to finish. When Wi-Fi calling is active, you may see a Wi-Fi calling icon in your phone's status bar. If Wi-Fi calling doesn't turn on right away, go back to the Wi-Fi calling settings and try enabling it again. If it's still unavailable, make sure your mobile carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and that your plan is eligible for the feature. Finally, restart your phone and check again. A simple restart often resolves temporary activation issues. Keep in mind that Wi-Fi calling availability depends on your carrier, device model, region, and software version. And that's how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.